in an accelerator program, for example, can we use that?
Yes, if those things are, if you were a founder, it's now a totally different ball game.
Okay.
And you might want to take notes. One, I'll try to show things that they can verify online. For example, your GitHub, you winning an award, you being part of a public pitch process, you speaking at a conference to promote that particular product. You understand? They can verify that online. Also show the reviews in which, if it is a retail consumer product, the kind of reviews that they can verify online. So you see that if you are the lead developer and you're not the technical co-founder, your roles are different.
Yeah.
According to this, one of them is you being very technical about your impact of the job and you requesting for a reference letter to back it up. The other one, as a founder, that is just a technical co-founder, shows you being public facing, all the receipts that ties to the impact of that product online. You are showing it to them. That's one. The second one are the things that they can't verify. And what are the things that they can't verify? That is screenshots of partnerships that you've done with your business. A business doesn't work in isolation. So let's say, for example, you're a technical co-founder for a B2B SaaS business. Now you're talking about collaboration. Let's say the current startup that you're working at now. Let's say, for example, it's a property rental marketplace. Now you're showing a letter of how you collaborated with, say, for example, Jide Taiwo.
Okay.
They sent you an email of how you guys were able to do certain listings with them and things like that. They are seeing that, they cannot see an email exchange between you and the leading realtor in Lagos. They might not be able to see that, but those are evidences that you have in terms of screenshots of your collaboration and partnership with different businesses.
Okay.
It can also be emails saying,
in an accelerator program, for example, can we use that?
Yes, if those things are not public facing, how you're able to get on a program, how difficult that program was.
Okay.
If you are still incubating within the program, you'll be able to use all of those conversations, and mostly those conversations are addressed to you. So if you were partnering with, if you integrated with a payments company or something like that, all of those collaborations show that you're actually a real business and you're working with others. So two things: what they can verify in public and what they can't verify that you have in receipts. Those two things are very important as a founder. Now,